Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today is another unboxing. Now I've already started it. Now this package is really hard to get into, so 2 minutes guys, I'll just get a knife. Okay, so I've got my blade. Okay. And this knife is actually broke, so it's even harder to get. Jesus, this packaging is really tough. Okay. Okay, and it's bubble wrap still. Okay guys, as you can see, I finally bought a new camera, so I'll be able to do better YouTube videos and stuff. But the main reason I bought it was I'm going to Birmingham, I'm going to Gadget Show Live, so I wanted to buy a camera just to record like stuff there and that. So it's a cheap camera, so but it's 1080p. Speed is the make. It's from China. So there it's there. So just go ahead and open this up. So yeah, remember and leave feedback. Yep, of course. So I got it off eBay, that's why. Don't know what that is, but it's all in Chinese. So the manual here, quite thick manual. I might read that. I usually don't read manuals for gadgets, because since I'm a gadget pioneer, then I don't really have to read them, to be honest. So this is the battery charger. So the battery clicks in the dock here. We have the foreign plug adapter. We have the AV cables. We have neck strap, and shoulder strap. We have the plug. So that goes into the camera, and then this goes into the foreign plug adapter, just like that. We have the very small battery. I hope that will last long. We have USB, mini USB. We have the HDMI cable for 1080p. go ahead and get that out of the way. Comes with the bag. Camera itself. Yep. So there's all the buttons on the back. Changing mode up here. And in here is the connections, the HDMI and the USB. And that is for the AV cable, that one there. And then we've got the lens, we've got the light for night shooting, we've got the flash for the stills. We've got the shutter button. The screen, of course, pops out. And there's some more buttons in there. The SD card goes in here. Now I have ordered an SD card, a 32 gig, and I asked the guy that I'd bought it from if that was going to work, and he told me it is not going to work. So damn it, I need to order another card. So I'll need to ask the guy nicely if I can send that one back and ask for another card for this. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.